Richa, I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Welcome to Kitchen TV HD. This is going to be a hard one. Can you guess what we're making today? You can make it out of leftover rice. It is stuffed capsicum. And the first time I tried it, it was so yummy. And it's really easy to make. So let's get started. First, let's make the stuffing. So first, let's add the butter, 2 tablespoons. It's splattering so much, I don't know why, I'm getting a little scared. I think it's because of the water on the pan. Next, let's add chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons. Now let's wait until it becomes golden brown. Let's saute. Finally, it's golden brown after so much time of waiting. Next, let's add chopped onion, 1/4 cup. And let it fry. Oh, that smell and like you can hear the sizzling, like shh, lots of sizzling. Next we add mushrooms, 1/4 cup. Next we add capsicum, chopped capsicum, 1/4 cup. It is all red, green and yellow capsicum. That too, if one more fact is that if you cook mushroom, then only it's good. If you eat raw mushroom, it'll give you stomach pain. Next we added salt and pepper and mixed dry herbs. And now we saute and I think it's done. Yes. Now we just cook it and done. So next, let's make the white sauce. First, I added butter, 3 tablespoons. I think after it was out for so long, the melted butter became solid. Next, we add flour, 3 tablespoons. And now, we mix it for like 3 to 4 minutes until it is all mixed up properly. This will help to make the white sauce. I think that's enough. So after mixing, we can add some cold milk, 1 cup. You have to add it slowly so that no lumps form. After this, it should become nice and creamy. That's when we know the white sauce is ready. So let's mixity mix. I'm now adding the milk slowly. I love milk so much. It's so tasty milk. Now, see, as you can see, it's about to become creamy. It's getting little creamy. You can see it's getting more white instead of yellow. It used to be little yellow. Now it's a lot of white. And see that creaminess. That is white sauce. Next, let's add cheese, 2 slices. This will give that cheesy flavor to it. And I'm adding 1 more slice. Next, we have to mix and allow the cheese to melt and mix with the white sauce. This smells amazing. Whoa. Now we have the vegetable mix. Let's add the white sauce to the vegetable mix. This is going to be so yummy, I believe it. Last time I made this, it was so yummy, so cheesy. I could feel the pepper, the salt, the vegetables, the white sauce, I could taste them. It was so good. Next, we're going to have leftover rice. This is some ghee rice that was left over at my home. If you had some leftover rice at your home after maybe lunch or dinner, you could always use it to make this yummy treat. Next, we're going to add parsley, 1 teaspoon. I'm garnishing it with it. And now let's mix. Now we have the filling. Next, let's fill the capsicums. So here we go. I've placed the stuffed bell pepper onto a greased tray. Now, bake it in 200 degrees in a preheated oven for 30 minutes.
Greek mozzarella cheese.
If you guys didn't know, my favorite cheese is mozzarella cheese. Next, we're gonna add chili flakes. So let's add them. It's pretty hard to grate the mozzarella and the chili flakes. Now we're gonna bake it for 10 minutes. Let's wait until all the cheese melts and we get that cheesy stretch. Now straight out of the oven, our yummy stuffed capsicum is ready. Taste time. Oh, it's so stretchy. It is so good. So good. If you're new around this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notifications for more yummy videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KitchenTube. Bye. Mwah.